think of birds, what comes into your mind? Is it freedom, love, beauty, or maybe just getting away? Away to an island, to London, to Japan, whatever floats your boat. I don't know where to go. Proverbial boat. The point is this. He-Man could do anything. Most people could not do it, but He-Man had the power. And with Panthra, the Thundercats were unstoppable. Pee Wee Herman. Pee Wee Herman was a champion, a hero. A bird, if you will. And that's why I think birds are the heroes of America, because without them, we would never have Pee Wee's Playhouse.